Now we come to the impact of climate change on the productions of paddy. Impact of climate change causes shortage in water and other resources, which eventually will affect soil fertility and lead to pest and disease outbreak. Second, the increase in temperature could reduce rice productivity as the growth rate increases and the growth duration is reduced. Thus, the grain filling period is shortened.
Next, the impact of climate change on the production of vegetables. A high temperature, carbon dioxide, and soil moisture stress will influence growth and development as well as the incidence of insect pests and diseases of vegetable crops. Under changing climatic situations, crop failures, shortage of yields, reductions in quality. Next, the impact to the pepper productions. The extreme hot summers lead to a decrease in the production of hot pepper by reducing both growth and increasing the occurrence of abnormal fruits. Found that elevated carbon dioxide and temperature increase the incidence of hot pepper diseases. Under intense rainfall conditions, the rhizosphere can become anaerobic, affecting root penetrations and impacting growth and plant photosynthesis.
Climate change also causes negative impact on oil palm production. Rising of temperatures induce water stress, pests, and disease that could increase the oil palm yields, production, and revenues. Based on study, increase in temperatures by 2 degrees Celsius result in 30% shortfall of yields, and further raising of temperatures cause even higher loss of oil palm yield productions. There are few impacts of climate change on livestock. The most serious impact are the grazing system, because the climate change are such as high temperatures and lower rainfall will reduce yields and degrade the land. Climate change may speed up the spreading of livestock diseases. Higher temperatures and change of rainfall patterns can alert the abundance, distributions, and transmissions of animal pathogens.
So with all of these aforementioned problems, what are the ways to actually overcome this? So the first way we could try is the integrate crop livestock forestry system. This involves, of course, 3 components: the crops, the livestock, and forestry. This improves the local microclimates by reducing the temperature and increasing precipitation. And it also reduces the impact of extreme weather changes, reduces soil erosion, and of course improves the productivity and provide a new source of income. Now the next way we can do is actually do plant cover crops, do crop rotation, or a non-tillage farming practice. This way the soil actually acts as a sink that absorbs about 40% of the CO2 into the ground. This way it will reduce the soil nutrients depletion and of course release more nitrous oxide into the soil itself, so the plants can utilize it better. And the last way we could try is actually do the precision farming system. With precision farming system, it allows us to actually put farm inputs at the right place, the right time, the right amount, and of course, it will lower the greenhouse gas emissions and prevent soil degradation and water pollution.
Now to conclude, proper actions focused on combating climate change have to be done in order to maintain the survivability of the human race and sustain the country's economy. Thus, governing entities must monitor and make policy changes that favor the climate.